Bihar has delivered a political blow that lands straight at the doorstep of the Congress leadership. And the shock is unmistakable. Every single constituency along Rahul Gandhi's high-profile voter Adhikar Yatra route is slipping away. Not one seat on that 1,300-kilometer journey appears to be backing the Congress today. The Yatra, launched with the promise of exposing alleged vote theft, travelled from Sasaram to Patna, touching 25 districts and 110 assembly seats. But when the votes were counted, the message from the ground was stark. The Congress is leading in only 5 seats out of the 61 it contested, nowhere near the areas covered by the Yatra. This is a stunning reversal for a party that believed Rahul Gandhi's previous Yatras, the Bharat Jodo Yatra and the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatras, had boosted its fortunes in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls and the Telangana victory. But in Bihar, the so-called Yatra effect simply doesn't land. The NDA, on the other hand, has swept across the state. The BJP is leading in over 90 seats, the JDU in 80, even smaller allies like Chirag Paswan's LJP Ramvilas, Upendra Kushwaha's RLM and Jitan Ram Manjhi's Hindustan Awam Morcha have posted strong numbers. Rahul Gandhi's strong allegation that the BJP and the Election Commission were stealing votes appears to have failed to connect with voters. The Congress had positioned the Yatra as a moral battle, a fight to protect one person, one vote. But the EC rejected the allegations, and now Bihar's voters seem to have rejected them too. So what went wrong for the Congress? Early signals point to lack of unity within the Mahagathbandhan, hesitation in endorsing Tejasvi Yadav as the clear chief ministerial face, and a campaign that fizzled out well before the polling day. Internal factionalism, friendly fights only added to the confusion among voters. For the Congress, Bihar has delivered a harsh lesson. Yatras alone don't convert into votes. And for Rahul Gandhi, a political setback that raises tough questions about strategy, messaging, and the party's future footprint in the Hindi heartland.